Okay, now you know this is my needed wheat flour. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to make chapati. You know this is 2 kg, 2 kilograms of maize flour. I'm going to cut some balls. Okay, let's cut together. This is one ball here. In the Lucky Mom's kitchen, you can learn a lot. If you want to learn, you can learn a lot. This is my second ball. This is my third ball. I want to make 5 balls. Yeah, and a ball is going to give me 8 to 10 chapatis. So this is what I'm doing. You can see this is my 5 balls, right? You know, I'm going to use this worktop. Okay, this is my first ball. I have to roll it round this way. I come with my oil here. I put 1 spoon of oil. You know, my hand, my hands are very clean. So what I'll do, I'm going to make, I told you each ball is going to give me 8 to 10 chapatis. So this is what I'll do. Okay. You do it repeatedly till you finish all your balls. This has given me it's going to give me around 8. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just roll it like this. Yeah. Anyway, if you like cooking, the Black Mom's Kitchen is the right place. You can get your kitchen tips. So this is what I'm doing. You know, my family have to enjoy my services. Okay, like this. This is what you do repeatedly to all your balls. Okay, together up to this point. I love cooking. I'm just a passionate chef. I try anything in the kitchen. You can see this is, I told you I'm going to make one ball is going to give me between 8 and 10. This one has given me 8 balls. So this is, it's equivalent to 8 chapatis. Yeah. So I'm going to get. Okay, now guys, I'm done with my balls. You can see these are 40 pieces of chapatis now. Now I can roll them. This is now the right time to start using my rolling flour. Yeah, I'm done with oil for some time. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look like. This is the second last procedure. Now the last one is going to roll, then I cook. So now I have to put my pan on fire. Yeah. Now I just want to start now rolling my chapati. If you don't know how to roll a chapati that comes around in a round shape, now this is your right time. I have to spread this little flour on my worktop here. Then I start rolling. When you start rolling, ensure you start from the middle of the ball, right? Yeah, this is what I'm doing. And don't use force. Press it lightly so that it can spread well. Okay, remember on my worktop here on the surface, I've just spread my flour. Yeah, you know, for me, I have done business of selling chapatis, and when I want to cook many, I don't put one and start burning it on frying it on the frying pan. I do around 10. I roll around 10 of them, then I start frying them. Okay, so guys, let's roll together. Make sure that your chapati has a round shape. You know, when chapati has a round shape, people say we don't care about the shape, we want to care about the taste. No problem, but sometimes it's good to make something that is appealing to the eye. Yeah. don't be like, don't judge a book by its cover. No, sometimes today the cover works very well than what you think. Okay, this is my round chapati. This is the first one, so I'm going to do 10 of them so that it can be easy for me to fry them at once. If I have a customer who wants 10 chapatis, it will be easy. Okay, now I'm done with the first one here, so I'm going to number 2. You do it repeatedly. Remember, you start from the middle. When you start rolling, just start from the middle so that it can spread very well. After you have put little flour on the worktop or the surface, yeah. I'm done now with my second chapati. I want you to rate my rolling out of 10. Okay, this is my rolling. I'm done now with my second chapati. Okay, so I have to put it here again. I'll continue with my third one, just like that, continuously. And remember, my pan is already on the fire. You start rolling from the middle. Okay, just as I said, I have to roll 10 chapatis. Remember, I have 40 of them, so 10 already. I have already rolled them. You can see they're round in shape as expected. So this is my pan. It's now hot already. So this is what